Hi folks, back on lovely old Pearl today, and big day today. I've made the decision I'm not going to try and restore those side panels. They're too far gone. I mean, they're not gone, they're solid, I suppose. Structurally they're sound. There's obviously a few cracks, a little bit of rot, but also there's just way too much filler, and there's just no way I can bring it back to any sort of decent surface to varnish. So I'm going to skin the sides of the forward cabin, the sides and the front, with some nice sort of 2mm marine ply. It'll present a nice, smooth, fresh surface to prep for varnishing, and then once varnished, it'll look awesome. So that's the plan for today and continuing on. So it's going to be a pretty epic job, and it'll look absolutely amazing when it's done. So there's some measurements to be taken. There's some more epoxy hardener to be applied, and obviously a little bit more filler. But then once all sealed, then put the skin on, and there's light at the end of the tunnel, finally finishing that bit of the boat. Obviously there's a lot more to go, so then on from there we'll look at the deck again, and obviously look at the cabin roof. So that's the plan. So let's, as I like to say, crack on, and let's get some measurements done, and let's start prepping those cabin sides. why don't we just do this? Why don't we split it up? I think we're just going to get in each other. Why don't I go on board and start taking some of those doors and stuff off?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Because
with a bit of rough, just sand it out and round it. Rough it up again if you want to get right down to a little bit. Oh, look at that, eh? Right, so I hold new scribe. Actually, we need. Where's that saw? So. You can't, mate. This is an epic moment. Okay.
I gotta. Okay.
You don't have to hold too hard. Just,
I know, I just got to get steady, please. So.
come on, sorry.
Just draw it out. Where you want to go, what
Yeah, it looks like it might be.
Can you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, 35. 35.
Excellent. Right. Alright, we're live. Fight on set. First positions. And watch me fuck it up. Okay. Oh yeah. Righty, video, moment of truth. All right, so
2 mils.
what do we need? So we need,
So setting that edge in the bottom,
that's what I'm saying. So that's it there. There's the. Chris, there's a massive lump right there.
Yeah, yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
it's smooth, but there's tons more to take down. I reckon.
well, actually see where it's broken away. About there.
Okay, good.
I'll bring a belt sander next time, but that's good enough. 5 minutes of a belt sander will solve that. I've no doubt. So, oh, that's
Look
pretty
at
good.
that, just by itself.
That's going to
That's
work.
going to look so awesome.
That's going to look great. Yeah. Once it gets stained up. Even if you manage to pop a jigsaw bench, you can't take it. So it's that's 40 grit. Yeah. Belt sander, we'll get the belt sander to do it, and that'll just bring it back down. Alright, get it back. Now, having done that, we know we cut it to 40.
Okay, I'm done now.